Hey guys, it's me Renziie and today we're going to Thailand. I'm now just waiting to board the plane. How long is my flight? The first one is 6.5 hours. My next flight is about 7 hours. And then my final flight is 1 hour. Let's go. This is the first time I've ever gotten a long haul flight by myself. This is the first time I've gone on holiday by myself and had to check in luggage. So there's the fear of that getting lost. One thing I'll never understand is when they call out the numbers and everyone rushes to line up, like, look at all these people rushing to go nowhere. Why would you do that? I'm just sat chilling, waiting for the line to die down, and then I'll go. I'm so excited to on the plane. You get some headphones and a blanket and TV ready to take off. Now we've got some fruit. I am in Qatar. I stepped outside for like 2 seconds. I've never been so hot in my life. Like, it felt like I was in a sauna. Whoa, this airport's massive. There's a Louis Vuitton in there. That right there is Louis Vuitton. There's Harrods. Is that Apple? I am so hot. I'm in a full tracksuit because I want to be comfortable. But now I'm hot. This place is crazy. Because I'm in Qatar, I thought, let me get a falafel wrap. It is airport food, but I'm scared to leave the airport because I don't want to miss my flight. So I'm gonna go for falafel wrap. All airport food was like this, I would never complain. It's so fluffy. So I'm on my second flight. So I'm on the second flight and this plane is unnecessarily hot. I had to take off my hoodie. Let me step outside of Bangkok while I wait for my final connecting flight. Can you see my skin? I'm sweating. It's only like 7:30 in the morning and it's too hot. No, this is too much. And all I'm thinking is it's gonna get hotter. But we're in Thailand, baby! On the final plane. I've bagged the window seat. After 20 hours, we've made it to Thailand. Well, to Koh Samui. Apologies if that's said wrong. This is their airport. Most un-airport looking airport I've ever been to. It's Tay. It is hot. I think I'm too small to fit in this. Boom, boom, boom. I'm not. You're like, I'm never going home. So, check out my view. Ready? I'm blocking the... No, I'm not. Ready to hear this crunch from these mushrooms. Feels like some And this is like a spinach thing, I think. My god, it's hot. $20, so less than £1. I've never tried chocolate pistachio milk. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. This was 70 bucks, which is like £1.50.
How do you feel about going to Koh Tao?
I'm excited.
What are you most excited for?
Food! Food! I'm trying to show you what you're doing, but you didn't do it too well.
I didn't do it very well.
Veggies.
No, you're about to buy a.
And I was just like,
Imagine waking up to this like every morning. Like, this is crazy. All right, let's make some noodles. And now we wait. These are miso noodles. We hit the chickens. Look at all these chickens. I need to move it. Chicken. You've got so much personality in this one bit. So good. This is so good. I'm very happy.
It looks really good actually.
Do you want to try?
I do. Mmm. This is really nice.
See, vegan food is always superior. What do you want? Coconuts?
I did it. Butterfly.
Mine is not crispy anymore.
You like it? Yummy?
Really nice.
And vegan.
I'm so surprised.
Can you pass me?
Food dance. Show us your strength. Wow. Oh.
Wow.
Sweet. Roasted seaweed Pringles.
I don't like this. Don't like the sound.
They're good.
Everywhere we go, fly so hard.
What is this?
It's
Oh my God,
Thai
really?
this sticky rice and they grill it until it cooked and inside is banana. Damn. Yeah. Okay, you got the banana.
Very good.
It's really good. Yeah.
And one
Banana inside.
Best in Koh Tao. This is the Tate special. It's very good.
Other type of banana. It's not the same species. The skin is really thin compared to this. You see, you see the skin?
Sweet.
It's gonna be nice whatever, even if you cook it with nothing. And salt and pepper. I won't talk anymore.
Salt and pepper. And chicken.
Come on.
Choose.
You put the one back that you were adamant about getting.
It says grill mate.
Grill me. I want that happy grill me.
Grill mate.
Happy?
No.
Let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
You shine.
So we've got Thames special salad.
What do you think? Mango, pineapple, stuff. go for a second one.
Thames, I am thankful for you. She doesn't like her drink. There's something odd about it. Banana and chai.
I always get scared that I get hit by a boat.
I think they'll see you.
No, just some like, would they? Hello. Oh.
Came straight to you.
Oh, it's Asha, why?
Hello, dog.
That dog.
Time to try some more noodles. My eyes look red because I went in the sea. But yes,
Let's make noodles.
it's hot. That is definitely hot, but it's tasty.
Oh.
Burger.
It's really delicious.
Cheers. Did you eat it all at once?
Very salty.
crazy. I actually cannot believe I'm in Thailand. Like, this was so impulsive. Like, I booked my flight maybe about 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, because I just needed a break. I wanted to see one of the greatest people I know, and so I've literally impulsively booked a flight. And now I'm in Thailand, and my hair's all wet from the sea. Green. It's raining, but we love the rain here because it's cooling. I got this bag, IKEA bag. It was £6. And look at it. I just thought, why not? Got some tofu.
Coming, don't fuck with us. And then you're back in March. It's really cool. Like, just
Why have you given me this? Is it like wasabi?
Probably. Mommy.
Let's go! Look at all the fish! Look, it's still alive! I think that is squid. Why are you doing this? But why is he putting it on his teeth? Clean?
Actually, I get it.
That's all.
Can we try?
Why not? Yes. It's work. Touch it.
Eat it.
Touch it. Don't eat. Put in your mouth, right?
And don't use your tongue.
Yeah, don't use or swallow it. Just when you feel gross, just go underwater. It does work. Yeah, yeah, do like that, yeah.
Clean teeth.
Yeah? No, but it actually works, everybody. Trust me.
So I'm wearing my jellyfish shirt to get a jellyfish tattoo.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lemon in my cup, lemon in my cup, lemon in my cup.
This place is crazy. So I'm waiting like for my flight. I've got like 2 hours. The gate is there, and I'm just here chilling. There's a bunch of palm trees behind me. London, you need to take notes. So they've got like a courtesy corner, and there's a potato pie. It's actually quite tasty. I'm in Bangkok to have a look. I wanted to food, so can't go wrong with noodles. And I think I'll sign off the vlog here because there's nothing interesting in London. Oh, I'm so tired. But yes, Thailand, it's been beautiful. I got all these snacks, mango and sticky rice sweet, and to my knowledge it's vegan because it's got non-dairy creamer in it. So yeah, Yes, Thailand, you have been wonderful. Back to my life in the UK.